Welcome back to the channel, guys. Donnie D back at you. So today I got a video from a project I did back in 2016. What it's going to entail is a lot of clips, video clips, and some pictures of a bathroom I did back then. This is one of my higher end bathrooms I've done in being in business for over 5 years now. So I'm gonna basically walk you through the whole thing. I spoke in some of the clips, some of them I didn't, and I'll probably do some voiceovers here and there to help you see what went on. But this bathroom here, if I remember correctly, I'll really have to dial in, look up the paperwork and whatever, and how much this took. But I believe at the time, myself and an assistant, it took about 2 months, and a lot went into this bathroom because it was kind of neglected. There's a lot of rot, a lot of plumbing and electrical issues, so a lot went into it, but it came out amazing. The client was happy, I was happy. So that's that. Enjoy the video. Like I said, I'm gonna do some voiceovers, so stay tuned. Here we are on the job site doing a complete bathroom remodel here. This door's getting changed. Customer wants it right-handed, swinging out this way. We're going to be doing a heated floor here, moving some switches, doing a bigger vanity, 2 recessed mirrors, lights above that, doing a whole walk-in shower, tile floor, doing all curdy here, slew to curdy, vent right over the shower there. You see where the customer has marked out where they want things, and that's what we like to do here at Donnie D's Tile&Remodeling. Make sure the customer know exactly what they want, so we give them what they want. So vent there, 2 lights there. Gonna be raising this shower head. We're doing some nice marble lantern tile on the back, a niche over here, and the whole bathroom is gonna be 12 by 24s running vertically. So that's where we're at in this bathroom. Today's day 1 demo. Okay, here we are on the job site. Got my drop cloths down. Every step we protect our floors, rain board down, tape down all the way to our area working, which is the bathroom and the other side here. So here's the bathroom we're doing. I replaced the entire subfloor, put down new 3/4 plywood and a layer of 1/2 inch on top of that. This floor is rock solid. Plumbing's done. Recessed mirrors going in here. Electric's done for that. I replaced this vent pipe here. Had to reframe this back wall due to water damage, because the previous contractor did this about 15 years ago or so, and did not properly waterproof the shower. So that's what you had. I had to replace a lot of the subfloor, the structure below, and this whole wall. But now it's done right. We're going to be using 100% waterproof material here, so we won't have any problems. It's going to be a walk-in shower, drain on the right. Got the new valve in here. Recessed lighting. It's going to be a nice bathroom when we're done with it. So that's where we're at on the job today. Here we are back in the job site. Today we're doing the waterproofing. All the drywall is up, all the coat's done. Just gotta do some sanding. Curtain board's up. Mud is in, pitched towards the drains. The water drains nicely. So I'm gonna be waterproofing the whole shower area over here, and then putting the bands and the corners in the seam to make it strong. No need to completely waterproof this area, but just in the main shower area right here. So that's what we're going to be doing now. I'm working on that. This is what you got. Completely thin set it in. Now let it sit for about 24 hours. Make sure that thin set is cured all the way. Then we pour some water in here, mark a line, let that sit for 24 hours. As long as it passes that water test, which it always does. Sluter doesn't let you down. We're good to go to start tiling. Alright, here we are on the job site. Donnie from Donnie D's Tile&Remodeling. Complete bathroom remodel here. First off, started off, gutted the whole bathroom to the studs. Everything completely brand new. New pre-hung door, solid door. All new subfloor, new electric, plumbing. Heated floor, Vitra, heat, uncoupling membrane with the heated cable going through. 4x14s on a herringbone pattern, 12x24s on the walls vertically staggered. Recessed cabinets, we had to reframe this whole wall, get this in here, double vanity. Total over here, window, walk-in shower, custom walk-in shower, roughly 5 feet by 3 feet. Custom back wall here. This is marble lanterns with marble pencil, with a 3 foot by about 14-inch niche. Also framed out on the perimeter here with 4x14, same as the floor. So a lot of work went into that, came out very good. Got our lights in it to here. Got our exhaust fans in it to here. Lights on the sides. Even put a shelf up here for a speaker for the client. That's what they want, so we gave it to the exact height they want it. Speaker will come, wire will come through the wall. We put a hole up there. You can't see it. You have to pretty much be up high to even come close to seeing it. We got, shower valves over here. Hose coming up, hangs over here. Diverter to go to that. Nice flat tile installation, no lippage, using premium center materials, premium grout. That's what you get when you hire us. We use all premium materials, keep our quality very high. We work efficiently, get things done. When you do renovation work, you always run into something. When we started this renovation, this whole wall was completely gone. Rotted out. The whole subfloor gone. Guess what? We ripped them up, put 2 layers of subfloor, reframed this whole wall for the niche, everything. We don't cut any corners, we do everything right the first time. when you hire us, you spend your money once, get it done right. So here's Donnie from Donnie D's Tile and Remodeling signing off. Hope to see you at the next project. Okay, so here's Donnie from Donnie D's Tile and Remodeling signing out. Like I said, if you want a contractor that's reliable, dependable, uses premium materials, and keeps his quality of work extremely high, we're the company you want to hire. Hire us, get it done once the right way, we never have a problem, we stand by our work and give warranties. Thanks a lot. One more thing to add, client wanted these very nice switches here, all dimmable. This is actually an outlet right here, comes out. Got two connections in there. Got outlets on the insides of the recessed cabinets. That's very nice stuff if you ask me. So, towel bars, tool holder. So you have to drill through the tile. A lot of guys won't do that, but we do that. Take care whatever you guys want. Okay, so that is all the video clips. I'll be showing you some photos during the rest of the video here of the construction process of, you know, what went into this project and what it took and the photos that I have from that. Alrighty, thanks for tuning in. Donnie D signing off.